Students have beakers of water at different temperatures. What will students discover when they boil the 3 samples of water? Source, starting temperature, boiling point. Beaker 1, 10 degrees Celsius. Beaker 2, 45 degrees Celsius. Beaker 3, 78 degrees Celsius. A. The water in beaker 1 will boil fastest. B. The water in all the beakers will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. C. The water in beaker 3 will boil at 90 degrees Celsius. D. Beaker 2 will boil at the highest temperature. Number 4. 4 groups of students were each given a different clear liquid. Their assignment was to determine the freezing point and boiling point of their liquid. The table shows their results. Which group of students most likely had pure water as their liquid? Student group 1, 2, 3, 4. Boiling point 184, 287, 98, 100. Freezing point 113, negative 20, negative 127, 0. A. Group 1. B. Group 2. C. Group 3. D. Group 4. Number 5. Which thermometer shows the temperature at which pure water will boil? A. B. B. C. C. D. D. Number 6. Water with nothing dissolved in it will freeze at what temperature? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 32 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 115 degrees Celsius. Number 7. 4 student groups changed the temperature of a sample of pure water as shown by the start and end temperatures in the table below. Which group saw the water change from a liquid to a solid? Student group start end temperature degrees Celsius. Group 1 25 50. Group 2 25 0. Group 3 50 75. Group 4 0 25. A. Student group 1. B. Student group 2. C. Student group 3. D. Student group 4. 8. At what temperature will water turn to ice if placed in a freezer? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 10 degrees Celsius. C. 32 degrees Celsius. And D. 100 degrees Celsius. Number 9. A student measures the temperature of water being heated on a hot plate. The student observes that the temperature of the water is 53 degrees Celsius. How many more degrees Celsius must the temperature rise before it reaches the boiling temperature of water? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 10. A student observes an ice cube. The ice cube slowly changes from a solid to a liquid state. From this observation, it can be concluded that the minimum temperature the ice cube reached had to have been what? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 32 degrees Celsius. C. 85 degrees Celsius. D. 100 degrees Celsius.